Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel Exploring Rural India. I'm Yash Das, and today we are going to a village named Sagnam in Pin Valley, just before the last village, Mud. Now we start from Rakcham village in our guest house this morning. We start for the Pin Valley to Sagnam village. The Zangla valley is very nice and has beautiful sceneries. The valley is narrow and it has one side mountain slope and other side deep. Today's halt it is in Sumdo, the gateway to Spiti Valley, not to be confused with the famous Sumdo of Ladakh, and this is the tourist map of the Spiti Valley. These are the farmlands or the orchards of the fruit which are grown here in the village along the Spiti Valley, and they are mostly found in the villages or towns of Spiti Valley. And look, it's beautiful greenery all around. Wow, such a nice road which I've ever seen and travelled on. This is the good roads, few patches of good roads, but mostly it's bad roads in the mountains. So this is what is called as biker's paradise. Initially, the roads are very good, but as we get to the more adventurous parts, it becomes very bad. This is biker's paradise. This is a Tibetan style village. Spiti Valley is actually a cool desert, and greenery at the base of the mountain would be a human settlement, either a village, a town, or a big city like Kaza and Tabo. These are the walls which prevent landslides and avalanches during winters. Since the mountains are prone to landslides, to prevent from more of them, they will such precautionary walls to prevent them. We are now on the river level, and it is fun to be there since we can rest on the river bank. If you are a nature lover and truly love nature, you can just sit there for some time and take another lap and sit in the river bank for another time. The road is so narrow that only one vehicle can pass at a time. Look at the tempo coming through here, and we can predict the road conditions ahead, and we have to wait for so long that it will take just 1 minute or 5 minutes for that truck to reach here. Sarcastically speaking it true. Actually, it's fun when you see some opposite vehicle coming for the first time. Welcome to Tabo town. Tabo is another major town of the Kaza and Spiti Valley. There are a lot of tourist places in Tabo like the Tabo Monastery, Dhankar Monastery, and the living mummy of Sumdo. And there are homestays, hotels for you to stay in, and some wonderful restaurants where you can smack your lips with lip smacking food like thukpa. Then we go to Kaza where we take a short break and fill our petrol. Then we leave for Key Monastery, and look at this spectacular view from the Key Monastery with the fields and the village of the same name. We come to the village at 4 p.m. and start the survey after half an hour. We are going to the common place where people get their cattle back to the grazing area. While there we complete just 12 people in one day. However, people are friendly and cooperative here. Most of the youths know how to read and write because they are educated, and most of the youths there, they did graduation and now they are graduates, or sometimes they are doing agriculture after every job. The Panchayat population is the Sagnam Gram Panchayat has 5 villages, including the most famous last village, which is Mud. During the night, we stayed at a homestay named Sharma Homestay, and the homestay owner was very nice and cooked us good food, including thuppa and the local food which is used in the Spiti Valley. Walking around the streets of the village, the streets are like the cobbles of the 20th century, and the village is full of Tibetan architecture which is used in the traditional Tibetan villages. Then we go to the school and interview kids under 15, and some students who are in 11th and 12th standard are included at the age group of 16 to 40. The most affected group of the survey who moved to the cities and work there. Here we are walking towards the fields which surround the village. In Pin Valley there is a lot of barren mountains, or Ganja Pahad in Hindi. It is very beautiful and serene, as if it is God. I'm trying to balance myself and learning to do rock climbing in a small hill. I always hold on to a rock for support, and I successfully get on the field and start interviewing people. Oh, look at me, how imbalanced I am, and it looks like as if I'm not experienced. And these are the things which I'm doing to experience the village. During the survey, I am happy that I get an opportunity to speak to people. My happiness was beyond words. On the first day, we complete just 12 people, and on the second day, we complete the survey. And before I conclude, listen to this clip of song. मैं निकला ओ गड्डी लेके ओ रस्ते पर ओ सड़क में मैं मोड़ आया मैं उठे दिल छोड़. This is me signing off. Seeing you next time in Ladakh in Somoriri.